Hey guys, MakeupSy here. Welcome back to my channel, and right now I'm basically showing you guys all the products that I used during this video, and don't worry, it will be linked below. And I am using the product that I'm bleaching today is a free part closure by TaylorMarie. Don't worry, the link will be below. And right now I'm just showing you guys my bowl and my spatula, and I'm using Clairol B2. Don't shake it because look, goofy. So I just basically eyeballed it. I was a little skeptical of how much to put up in there, but I just put a little amount just in case it was too much, and plus it's a small closure, so you didn't really need a lot. I'm using 30 developer, and these are actually every product that I use is actually the small one, like the travel size, because I mean I didn't really want to buy a big one just for one closure. So I mean, save money. I only spent like $10 on every product that I bought, so yeah. And this is a consistency that you want it. You want it to be thick enough where you could flip the spatula and nothing falls off. So right now I'm just basically spraying the front of the closure, and just so that all the hair can be out the way and nothing will seep through or get on the hair itself. So I've seen that it was like kind of bent a little bit, but it was cool. I still got up in those cracks, honey. So it may look like I'm pressing hard, but I'm actually not. I was as light as a feather, I'm telling you. And you want to do that because you don't want to press it into the closure, because you don't want it to seep through and get on the roots of the hair. Now mind you, a little of it did get on the roots of my hair, but not to the point where it was just where it was noticeable, like blonde hair and then brown. I mean, then you know, the regular color natural hair. So I basically submerged this closure in this with this bleach, because I really just wanted to know, like, okay, if I put too little, it's not gonna bleach all the way, but if I put a lot, maybe it'll get the job done. So I just did what I thought was best, and actually this was like the best way for me to do it, because it came out super bomb and clear. So I put a lot. I mean, I went OD, but I made sure that I got every single crack. As you guys can see, I am going everywhere. Wherever I see a little space, I got in there, honey, because I did not want to miss a spot, period. Okay, so now that I'm done, I am putting some aluminum foil over it so that way it could sit and marinate and get those roots nice and bleached. And then once 15 minutes was up, it was time to wash it off. Now actually it had to be like 14 minutes to be exact, but my timer was 15 minutes, so I just let it go for that little time. And right now I'm just basically rinsing it off, getting all that bleach off of there. You know, we don't want to leave nothing behind, and I'm just checking it out to see how it looks so far. And it looks pretty good, but not all the way, honey. So I'm taking this neutralizer shampoo conditioner. This is to stop the bleaching process, and I put that on there before I did the shimmer light, because you want to make sure that bleach is all the way out. You don't want nothing left behind, period, point blank. And it was looking pretty good, but it still had that bronzy kind of look to it, and I didn't really like that because I couldn't see through it all the way. So taking an extra step, as you guys can see right here, looking good already. You use the shimmer lights to basically take out that bronziness out of the closure or front, or whichever one you're bleaching, and that is so that way it can look more so like translucent, and it don't have to look, you know, like you've bleached it. So you want to let that sit for 5 minutes and then rinse it out. And after I rinsed it out, I mean, I was shook. Like I didn't take nothing but 2 seconds for me to rinse it before I was like, yes. Like, look at that. As soon as I got done rinsing it out, I was like, yes, oh my god, let me put it up against my skin, and look at that, see through. First time is a charm, honey. God bless these hands. Look at that. Perfecto. And that is all for this little mini tutorial. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please feel free to subscribe before you guys leave. Thanks again for watching. Bye.